Bree, the Coupon Queen, and it's time for the 5 must-do deals for next week. We also have an update on a potential beauty event that may be going on at CVS, and I'm going to give you guys 2 different scenarios for the P&G deal, one including Pampers and one including some laundry and some other items. So the second winner of the second subscriber appreciation giveaway didn't get back to me either, so what I'm going to do is redo the giveaway. I'm going to have you guys enter the giveaway tomorrow in my Ibotta haul, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss when I post my Ibotta haul tomorrow. That way it'll give everybody another fresh chance, and anyone new to my channel a chance to go ahead and enter the new giveaway. And then, of course, once I announce my winner, you guys will have 2 days to get back to me so I can finally get out these amazing beauty products and get them in the mail for that lucky winner. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. There's some great deals going on at CVS next week. So the first P&G deal I'm doing for you guys is spend $20, get a $5 extra back. So you're going to pick up one of the Tide liquids. They are $5.94. 1 Tide Pods at $4.94, and 3 of the Pantene shampoos or conditioners. They are on sale 3 for $12. We are getting a P&G insert on Sunday. We're getting 3 inserts, 1 Retail Me Not, 1 Smart Source, and 1 P&G. So we are getting a 5 off 3 Pantene coupon, which is amazing. February P&G, we only had a 3 off 3, which was kind of a bummer. So we're back to the 5 off 3, which is a ton of savings. A $2 Tide liquid from the P&G and a $2 Tide Pods. If your region doesn't get the Tide in your inserts like mine does not, you can print it on pgeveryday.com. So with all those coupons, you would pay $13.88, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost would be $8.88 for 5 items, or $1.77 each, which is still a great price point. Now, if you have the following CRTs, you're going to want to combine them with this deal to make it even better. A 3 off 12 shampoo CRT and a 2 off of 8 Tide CRT. With those, that'll take off an additional $5. You'll pay $8.88, get back the $5 extra buck. So final cost is just 77 cents per item. And of course, the $12 for the Pantene is going to count towards CVS Beauty. For anyone who is new to shopping at CVS, every $30 you spend in CVS beauty products, shampoos, conditioners, facial care, makeup, things like that, you're going to get an additional $3 beauty buck, which is going to hit your account in about 48 hours after you check out. The second deal is Pampers. If you guys need some cheap diapers, this is a great week to get some. So they're on sale, spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So what you would do is pick up 2 of the Pampers. They are on sale 2 for $20. Use a $1.50 digital coupon or in the Sunday P&G insert. Then if you have a 3 off 15 paper product CRT, make sure you put that with this deal as well. You'll pay $15.50, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is just $5.25 each, which is such a great deal and price point for diapers. Okay, the next deal is paper products. So we're going to be using as many Ibotta rebates and fetch bonuses as possible in these deals coming up next week. So I will be doing an Ibotta haul tomorrow. We have the Weekend Warrior bonus that is on the account. Mine is for 12 rebates, you get an additional $1. I also have another rebate for 15 rebates, get $5. And if I do 17 rebates, I'll get an additional $2. So all of these Ibotta rebates are going to track towards those bonuses. So for some paper products, it's buy 2, get a $5 extra back. You can get Scott bath tissue or Viva paper towels. What I would do is get 1 of each. They're $7.99 each. Use a 75-cent Viva coupon from the 2.9 Smart Source. If you don't have that insert, you can still print out a 50-cent coupon on scottbrand.com. And you'll print out a 75-cent Scott toilet paper coupon from scottbrand.com. If you have a 2 off of 8 toilet paper CRT or paper towels, you can use up to 2 if your store follows the 98% rule, because each paper towel is $7.99, which is right at that $8 mark. So with that, you would pay $12.48. get back a $5 extra back. Now, Ibotta has a $1.50 cash back on Viva. It is a limit of 1. So even if you bought 2 Viva paper towels, you're still only going to get $1.50 back. And then once you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, for any Scott toilet paper at CVS, Dollar General, I think Family Dollar, a couple other stores are included, you're going to get 20% points back for Scott. So I've never done one like this before, but what I'm assuming is it's going to be the final cost out of pocket, 20% back. So in this case, we're paying $12.48 out of pocket. So half of that would be for the Scott toilet paper, which would be $6.24. 20% of that is $1.25. So when I buy these items on Sunday, of course, I will go through my receipt like usual and let you know exactly how it pans out with Fetch Rewards. So check your accounts. Every account is different, of course. If you are not signed up for Fetch Rewards, you can enter in this code right here, J24VT. You'll get an additional 2,750 points back. Once you hit 3,000 points, that is the equivalent of $3. And that is what I use to pay $0 out of pocket at CVS, because you can cash out those points for digital gift cards, and CVS is one of the stores. So I cash out my points for CVS gift cards every week, and then I don't have to pay anything out of pocket ever at CVS, which is absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend the app. I use it constantly, and I have not had many issues. So with that, final cost on this is going to be $4.73 for 2, or just $2.36 each, which I still think is an amazing price point. Tresemme, there's 2 different deals you can do on Tresemme. One is for the large bottles of the Tresemme, the 28 ounce. The other one is on the Tresemme Professionals. So this is the better deal because they're on sale for $8, and buy 2, get a $2 extra back. So what you would do is pick up 2 of them. Use a 4 off 2 Tresemme coupon we have coming in the 223 Retail Me Not. Pay $4, get back a $2 extra back, so final cost would be just $1 each. And the $8 is going to track towards CVS Beauty. Now, if you have a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme hair care CRT, definitely pair that with this deal. You'll pay just $1.50 out of pocket, but get back that $2 extra back. So final cost would be free and a 50-cent moneymaker. Some more Ibotta rebates for you. This Nivea Men's Shave, Beard, or Skincare is on sale. Spend $12, get a $4 extra back. So what I planned out is you're going to get 2 of the Nivea Shave Balms. They are $7.99 each. That'll bring you over the $12 threshold. You're going to use 2 $2 coupons from the 2 Smart Stores. If you have a 3 off 12 Shave CRT, I believe it will attach because it says any shave, razors, gels, etc. So I'm assuming it will attach. Again, I will let you guys know on Sunday if everything works out perfectly. You'll pay $8.98 out of pocket, get back that $4 extra buck. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Every account is different. My rebates are $1.70 back. Your rebates may be even more than that. It is a limit of, I believe, 3. So we're going to submit for $1.70 back with a quantity of 2, because we're going to buy 2 of those. So we're going to get back $3.40 from Ibotta. So final cost is going to be just 79 cents each, which is so amazing, especially when they start at $7.99. Another lotion deal for you guys. We've been stocking up on a ton of Eucerin lotion. The current week we have a great Eucerin lotion deal. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. So I posted that in my CVS haul for this week. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure you check it out. If you prefer Vaseline, next week is going to be a great deal for you guys. Spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. And it's so amazing because we're getting $2 coupons in our 223 Retail Me Not. So what you would do is pick up 2 of the larger bottles of lotions. They are $7.99 each at my store. Use 2 of those $2 off coupons. Use a 3 off of 10 lotion CRT if you have it. Then you will pay $8.98, but you're going to get back that $5 extra back. So final cost would be $1.99 each. And of course, the $7.99 for both, so $15.98 is going to track towards beauty. So if you did all three of the deals so far that track towards beauty, the Vaseline, the $8 for the Tresemme, and the $12 in the P&G deal, you're going to be at $35.98. So we're going to get back an additional $3 beauty buck, which makes these deals even better. And this is the beauty event that I've been hearing about, some rumors online, and in the CVS ad, it does say Epic Beauty Event, but I haven't seen anything in the CVS ad or on the CVS website about this. I got this information from iHeartCVS.com. So it says the current beauty event is going on right now, the 16th to the 29th. It's a 2-week exclusive where you're going to get back 10% in extra buck rewards on all beauty. So I'll let you guys know how this goes as far as when I check out on Sunday, when I get my beauty bucks, if I wind up getting 10% more. I did read a few of the fine print. What it said is it has to be a full dollar value. So if you're going to get back $7.20, I think it's going to round down to just $7. If you have $7.90, it might round up to $8. So I'm not 100% sure. There's not a ton of information on this, but there's always great beauty deals going on at CVS. And even in these just 5 must-do deals, we already hit beauty one time. So if you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to check out my Ibotta haul tomorrow for a chance to enter a giveaway. The giveaway is going to be on over $30 of beauty products that I will get out to you as soon as I choose a winner. If you haven't seen my current CVS haul, make sure you click this video here, as well as my Walgreens haul and other videos. If you don't know how to use Ibotta, you can click this video here. It's a full breakdown on how to use it, how to get the rebates, how to cash out your money, so on, and get all the bonuses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.